Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to scan and remove viruses from Windows PC or laptop using command prompt. Why use command prompt for virus removal? Viruses can sometimes render your computer unusable, preventing you from accessing your desktop, keyboard or mouse. In severe cases, you might be stuck in a blue screen, repair loop or other system errors. If this happens, don't worry. You can still access command prompts and use it to identify and remove malicious software manually. And if you know you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button and then turn on the bell notification so you don't miss great videos like these ones. Now let's begin. If your system is completely stuck and you can't access Windows, follow these steps to access command prompts in advanced startup mode. First, shut down your computer by holding the power button. Repeat this for 3 times until you reach the advanced startup options screen. Click troubleshoot and then you click on advanced options. Then you click on command prompts. Now you can use CMD to run commands for virus removal. Alternatively, if you have access to your desktop, simply click on the Windows search icon and then type in CMD. Right click on the command prompt and then click on run as administrator. Click yes to grant admin permissions. Now that CMD is open, let's start removing viruses. The first step is identifying suspicious background processes. Viruses often disguise themselves as normal processes. To check running tasks, type the following command and press enter. Type in tasklist, then you press enter on your keyboard. This will display a list of all active processes running on your system or running in the background. Now, look carefully for any suspicious process, usually ending in .exe. And if you are not sure of the file name, you can simply copy the file name and then paste it in Google to know more about it. So assuming I don't recognize the updater.exe, it might be a malware. To terminate a suspicious file like this one, just copy the process name and then type the following command. Type in taskkill space /f space /im space and then you paste the process name that you copied and then you press enter. If successful, you will see success. The process has been terminated. This will immediately stop any virus-related process running in the background. For the next step, you can scan for hidden malicious files. Viruses often hide inside system files, and to review them, identify the affected drive by opening File Explorer. And then you head to this PC, and then note the drive letters. If you feel like any of your drives have been affected by a virus, you can just note the drive letter. If it's local disk C, you note that letter for the drive. After noting the drive letter, navigate to the suspected drive in CMD by typing the drive letter. So I'll go ahead and then type C:, and then I'll press enter. Now, run the following command to review hidden malicious files. Now, type in attrib space -s space -h space -r space /s space /d space *. Then you press enter on your keyboard. Now for this command, the -s removes system file attributes and the -h removes hidden attributes. For the -r, it removes read-only attributes or read-only attributes. And then the /s applies changes to subfolders and the /d includes directories. After running the command, CMD will list all hidden files including potential malware. For the next step, we will be deleting a file named autorun.inf virus. Many viruses use autorun.inf to execute themselves when you open a drive. Let's check and delete it. List all files in your current drive by typing dir in the command prompt window. Then you press enter. Look for a file named autorun.inf. Now, if you find a file named autorun.inf, just copy the file name and then head back to the CMD window and then type in del space and then you paste the file name and then you press enter, and this file will be removed by the CMD command. Why is this important? Many Trojans and malware use autorun.inf to spread automatically across your system. Deleting it helps prevent reinfection. The next step is to disable suspicious startup applications. Some malware programs automatically start when you turn on your PC. To stop them, open system configuration using CMD. Now once inside the CMD window, type in msconfig and then you press enter on your keyboard. This will open the system configuration settings. Now, go ahead and click on the startup tab and then click on open task manager. Now go ahead and look for any suspicious application. If you find any suspicious application, just right click on it and then click on disable when it's enabled. This is important because hackers often use malware that restarts itself automatically every time you boot your PC. Disabling them prevents reinfection. The next step is to boot into safe mode for a deeper scan. If you suspect that the virus is still active, booting into safe mode can help. Open the system configuration by typing msconfig in the command prompt window. Now click on the boot tab, check save boot under boot options, and then select network for internet access. Click OK and then click on apply. Then you restart your PC. Now your computer will boot into safe mode where most viruses cannot operate. For the final step, run a full Windows security scan. Even after manually removing viruses, it's best to run a full security scan to detect any remaining threats. To open Windows Defender via CMD, type in start Windows Defender. Then you add colon. Then you press enter on your keyboard. This will launch Windows Security. Now click on Virus and Threat Protection and then click Quick Scan to scan for viruses or infections. And then if you want a deeper scan, head back and then click on the Virus and Threat Protection once more and then click on Scan Options. Select Full Scan. Scroll down and then click on Scan Now. This will eliminate any remaining malware from your system. That's the end of this tutorial. This process of removing virus is convenient because it's useful when you can't access your desktop and works even if your PC is stuck in a repair loop or blue screen, and helps manually find and delete hidden malware. Did this guide help you? If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.